Good morning, teacher. My name is Ashwini. I am studying first standard U section. Today I am going to say about road safety. We follow safety rules. While driving the car, we wear seat belt. While driving the bike, we wear helmet. While crossing the road, we follow zebra crossing. Safe. Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Aisha Sama. Today I want to say about road safety. Road safety is essential to stay safe from getting harmed while traveling on the road. There are different kinds of rules that we should always follow when we are on the road. Let us see the traffic signal. There are 3 lights in a traffic signal: red, yellow, green. When the signal is red, all vehicles should stop. When the signal is yellow, all vehicles should get ready. When it's green, all the vehicles can go. Good morning, everybody. My name is Siddhikam. Today I am talking about safely at home. Don't walk on wet floor. Don't touch hot things. Don't play with electricity. Don't play with knife. Then don't eat healthy food. Sleep early. Thank you. Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Navda Khandewal. I study in first U. Today I am saying about safety rules in home. Don't play with fire, matchstick. They can burn your skin. Don't touch electric wire, plug and switches when your hand is wet. They can give you a shock. Don't play with sharp objects like knife and blade and scissors. They can cut your skin. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Rikita. I study in the first class U section. Today I am telling about safety precautions for coronavirus. Wash your hands frequently. Wear your mask in public places. Sneeze in your elbow. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.